Wake up early, sky so blue, smiles and hugs so fresh and new. It's Eid-ul-Adha full of cheer, the happiest time of the whole year. We wear new clothes so bright and neat, with shiny shoes upon our feet. We go to mosque and bow our head and thank Allah for daily bread. The story of Ibrahim we hear, so full of love, so strong, sincere. He showed us faith, he showed us grace, and trusted God in every place. A goat or cow or sheep we share, with those in need we always care. It's not just me, it's love we give, to help each heart grow bright and live. Laughter rings and sweets go round, with happy songs and joyful sound. Cousins, friends all come to play, we celebrate this holy day. So every Eid let's try to be kind and gentle, wild and free, just like Ibrahim, brave and true, with hearts so big in all we do.
Thanks for watching and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like and share.